Guys, I'm gonna show you guys the setup I took today. I was initially in a lot of drawdown today, around 400 or something dollars drawdown today, and I got my sorry, $500 out of drawdown. I got my account out of that drawdown with two trades. One was a fair value gap setup out of this with minimal risk, and then I risked a little bit heavier off of a 2-minute inversion, 15-minute tap into a fair value gap. You can see here there's a 15-minute tap. That fair value gap also did break structure off of this high right here. So I was suspecting a move back to that range, or that gap specifically. After moving up to that gap, I saw that we had this old daily high up here. I did initially want that as a draw on liquidity and my trade. This is what I wanted right here. This would have had my account, instead of being $100 out of drawdown, it would have been around $300 out of drawdown. And I would have been back to my 50K initially. I only have $335. I'm $335 in drawdown at the moment, which is fine. It's kind of depressing, but you gotta grind it, right? Pause. So initially, I wanted that 70-point trade, but I did see that we were rejecting, and I did see that it is a fucking no news Monday. So what are the odds of us, coming up and sweeping all the way to the high? So I took out my trade around 53 points right here. Ending my trade in about 500. Oh no, sorry, it was around 470 when we started to reject, like here. I think it was around like 440, like 44 points. So the reason why I took this trade, 15-minute for value. We're pumping all day, right? I know that we were gonna have to have some type of retracement to stop, first of all, to stop people out, and then also to fill in the liquidity voids that the market left while it was pumping up. So we had this 15-minute fair value up. We dipped into it. There's a 2-minute inverse on the 2-minute here. Literally the sexiest setup ever. I think Pat and Blake, the PNB guys, I think they took this trade. So after that 2-minute inverse, I took longs out of that gap and I hit for around 44 points. And once it started to reject here, I kind of took out the trade because of the fact that I'm a pussy. So yeah, that's the trade I took today. Quick, easy, simple. That is my model, or that is one model that I follow. That is one entry model. There's a model that you guys can follow pretty easily. It's fucking easy peasy lemon squeezy. You guys have a great day.